Okay, it's Friday, January 21st. You can see here I'm buying Home Depot at 356.46. And if we look at, this is the 5-minute chart where I was buying it on, and I'll show you the context in a minute. I was buying it right down here into this pause area, and now we're heading a little bit higher above 357. This is a big reversal day in the market, possibly, where everything gapped lower and is now moving up strongly. And Home Depot is actually, when I went to my scan list up here, one of my scan lists, and then I sorted it by net change, I see that Home Depot, well, at the time it was one of, and Costco, I guess, same category, but Home Depot was at the top of the list. So I see that's a strong stock. And I went to the chart on the 15-minute chart, and I actually see, even though I was kind of buying puts in the morning on a couple of stocks and doing fine with those, I see that Home Depot actually, if I was tracking it, would have been a good buy here in terms of at least the opening price action, where we kind of just went up on the 15-minute bar, paused for 2 bars, and then had that breakout right here. So, then, but the thing is, on the daily chart, the reason I wasn't looking for buys is kind of below the midpoint of the prior day. Now, the thing is, we took out the low of the prior day, and it looks like the reason I'm buying it is because we're very close to now the 50% rule on the daily chart. So if we can, head up a little higher here, and that's what that pause was showing me I'll go back to it in a second, then we can be having a 3-day here, taking out the highs of yesterday, which is 361.85. So there's still 4 or 5 points higher to go should that happen. And again, I just see the strong start to the day and then a pause and this 50% rule getting ready to be triggered. So to me, it's an attempt to buy it. I could see us, we'll see if we pull back a little bit on this is the first move of the day. Obviously, I'm hoping it extends a little higher and triggers the 50% rule. If not, I'm still expecting kind of an orderly pullback and then another push up. So, and it's just, again, the strongest stock out there on a day where I can show you a lot of stocks like Lucid, which I actually bought puts and I sold, and I took profits down here. They're reversing higher. A lot of the Qualcomm, stock headed down. Everything's kind of moving back up, even like Facebook. Now, a lot of these stocks are still targeting lower, but to me, we have a kind of an exhaustion day and moving up. So we'll see. I'm already up, looks like a point here on Home Depot. It's moving higher. So I'm going to follow this 15-minute chart. Like I said, it seems to be triggering the 50% rule. I don't have it exactly, the number. I'm just trying to eyeball it. Yeah, I think we're already got that. So I'm going to look for a 3-day up here. Again, it should be a nice trade to take, short-term profits in some form. We'll just see where the 15-minute chart wants to go from here. But again, a lot of stocks seem to be reversing today, so it might be a turnaround day to end the week.